there, Brock Elementary students and parents. It's Miss Griffith here with your Brock Elementary update for May 4th through May 8th. It is Teacher Appreciation Week this week, and so our awesome PTC has put together this little QR code that is going to connect you to a Flipgrid where kids can get on there and make videos of special memories they have of their teachers, or maybe just giving a big shout out to a teacher that's made a difference for them. So you can access it through this or in the slides that went out this week. There's a link to be able to access the Flipgrid there as well. And so the teachers didn't put that in there. We put that in there to help PTC to be able to gather all the awesome things we have to say about our amazing teachers. So go ahead and you can access that. Registration, we are going to be working really hard to get as many kindergarten and pre-K kiddos registered this week. And so we do have office hours from 9 to 1 if you need any assistance. You can call up to the school and we'll be there to answer any questions that you might have or help you along in the process. Student supplies and spring pictures. So we are working to get all of that stuff together for you guys, and we will send out some information about how you can get your kids' stuff. And so look for that in upcoming memos. Happy birthday! So let's go through that. Our staff birthdays this week is Miss Jackie, who helps us out in the cafeteria and is amazing. Our student birthdays, we've got Levi Collier, Emery Wyatt, TJ Rutledge, Harper DeCoker, Bella Massey, Treston Etter, Barrett Basham, Elena Kendall, Carter Schultz, Hayes Shirley, Bryn Fenimore, and Carson Isbell. We hope you guys have an amazing birthday. Find ways to celebrate at home and know that we miss you and wish we were together to celebrate. But hope you guys have a great day. This week in your slides, you're going to notice that there is, especially for kinder through first grade, we're starting the end of the year assessment. We realize that there's going to be some hiccups with that, but that is going to be the focus of this week's instruction, or what we want the kids to accomplish. So in the slides, there's some information about how to facilitate that at home. So if you'll check that out once you guys receive your kiddo stuff. I hope you all have a great day and a great week. Go Eagles!